Clanging is a very interesting thought process because clanging represents things that look similar, sound similar, act similar. Really, in psychiatry, it's mainly supposed to sound similar and just rhyming. But in my mind, at least, the way I conceptualize different medications, I try to group them together. And so when you group things together, naturally, you think of them together, which can make it easy to get confused with it. Because they're not distinct. That's literally how you're thinking about things together. So you're not thinking about them separately. So if you have the different types of cephalosporins, right? Each one of them starts with CEF. Okay. So ceftriaxone, cefepime, cefoxitin, all of these things are different generation cephalosporins. But it's up to you when you're typing in the medication in the electronic health record. You got to know the rest of this word, right? Same thing with in your mind. If you think of bupropion, buprenorphine, buspirone, all these things sound kind of similar, but you have to keep them distinct in your mind. Fluoxetine, flumazenil, flufenazine. You have to keep each one of these things distinct in your mind in order to understand that all of these are in fact different. Even though you want to categorize them similarly because they have this fluoride group or this bupe group. Again, these things that look similar in terms of organic chemistry, in terms of like the structure of the molecules themselves. That's why they also have this like these are all beta lactam rings that are acting in a similar way, but some of them cover gram positives, gram negatives. Some of them are cross the blood-brain barrier. Some of them are also able to do they're empiric and like broad spectrum, and they cover Pseudomonas and like staph and different things. So all of these drugs, you have to keep all these medications. You have to keep them distinct in your mind, and you have to recognize that even though you group them together, you still have to keep them separate.